always remember, pain is a teacher. It doesn't come to break you. It comes to shape you. It bends you, burns you, and tests you. But through it all, it builds you. Every scar carries a lesson. Every tear holds a story. And every struggle is carving you into someone stronger than before. The hardest days feel endless. The weight feel unbearable. But remember, diamonds are formed under pressure. Warriors are built through battles. And the strongest souls are the ones who kept going when they had every reason to give up. Do not curse your pain. Let it refine you. Let it sharpen your mind and prepare you for the road ahead. Because one day, the suffering you endure now will become the strength that carries you forward.